Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my RV Parks business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And once we're done with that, we'll then dive into some of the updates that I've made to the RV Park Business Plan template. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy-dandy PowerPoint presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about my RV Park Business Plan template and the updates that I've made for 2023. So the first update that I made to the RV Park Business Plan template is the industry analysis. As we all know, having updated and current industry analysis is an important aspect for any business plan, especially for the RV park industry. So what I've done is I went through the RV Park Business Plan template, and any place that I could update the information, I did. For example, I've updated the revenues, the profits, profit margins, number of businesses, employment, as well as wages. Further, what I've done is the industry research that I've used is from IBIS World, which is an industry leader in industry research. So I do know that the information that are put into the template is credible. All right, the next aspect, or the next portion of the template that I have updated, is I actually expanded the industry research. So typically my industry research for a business plan template is going to be about a page, maybe 3/4 of a page. For the RV Park Business Plan template for 2023, I've added an additional segment, which is the products and services segmentation. And this section expanded the industry research to a little over a page. So we are showing a little bit more credibility, a little bit more research into the RV park industry. And the final change that I've made to the RV Park Business Plan template for 2023 is I've made my financial model a little bit more customizable for the user. For example, what I've done is I've included a sales growth aspect for the month-to-month profit and loss statement. And so what that means is that when you do your profit and loss statement for the first 12 months, you are now able to change your sales growth on a monthly basis. So all you do is you go to the profit and loss tab, and then what you'll do is you'll just go to where the proforma income statement, common size, and the sales growth, instead of 0.83 or 0.5 or 1%, for each month, you are now able to change the growth rates on a monthly basis. So what this allows you to do is to it shows more customization. For example, if your RV park's going to be a little bit slower in the winter months or the summer months, then you can change the growth aspect accordingly to better reflect your thoughts and ideas. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.